10 minutes, natural, mood boosting, energy elevating, balance building workout today. Let's go. Toe tap out front, round the back a little bit. Let's get that back heated up. This is a kind of movement that is going to increase our strength, boost our energy, and give us incredible balance. We can move through our day with great ease and strength. You can slow it down. Always modify every exercise to suit your needs. So we go slower, we'll build more balance. But for this initial little warm up, we'll go a little quicker so we get the body nice and warm. So we'll be far more effective with our balancing exercises as we go forward today. It's just going to get us going. All right. Just quickly up on the tippy toes a bit. Swing the arms. Let's generate a little bit of heat just for 10 seconds or so here before we move into, are you ready? Let's go. We're going to march, but just hold it for an extra moment and step out as far as you can. So we're moving dynamically, generating some mobility in the hips as we get out, but also amazing balancing exercise. Movement to free us. That's what movement really should. Not a punishment, a privilege. And the more discipline we put into our daily movement, the more freedom we're going to have. I love the idea of freedom through discipline. It's so true. We talked about that yesterday. Let's just move today. I don't have to pontificate every aspect of discipline, consistency in life. Have a laugh at yourself. A couple more. Hold it. One more. Oh, shake that out. You feel it? I sure can. Nice. Let's just up on the tippy toes. Balls of the feet, not tippy toes. Balls of your feet so your heels are up off and just real loose like. Just be. Okay. We're going to move laterally now and then hold it. Just hold one leg for a moment. We'll do this a few times. And then next round, can you just come up onto the balls of your foot, onto the ball of your foot? Just a little bit more challenging to keep the balance. So come up, hold it. Ooh, it's tricky. Okay, there, yes. Couple more. Get going too fast, shake it out. Just move. You're moving too quickly to hold the balance. It's tough. Just shake the arms out. Up on the balls of your feet. Oh, arms up nice and high. Give yourself that love. Whew. Yeah. And let's go for our walk. This is sort of our active rest, if you will. Although we want to keep the heart rate up. Just move for the entire 10 minutes. Remember? Stay active. Even if it's like this. I'm not feeling just any movement. Just move. Movement changes everything. Our energy, our ability to focus. Certainly our mood. We could find movements that elevate us, not deplete us. Just like everything we do. Find things that nourish you. Food that nourishes you, not deplete you. Media that nourishes you. Find great teachers, people that lift you up, not news that pulls you down. Okay. Let's pump the arms. Let's get the arms working. Yeah. And we're going to step to one side. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Step. That's how we want to do it. We got to get the brains going here. I'll be all right. There. Once you get the rhythm, be no problem. Just took me a second. Again, you can go as slow as you like. If the arms aren't working, you can step. If the legs aren't working, you can just pump the arms. Choose your own adventure. But news that depletes you or lifts you up. I talked with a local representative in an election just for the city, and talking about grassroots and more community type involvement in politics. I think that would serve us more to find localized things to where we can take action. These big world problems keeps us down. It feels like we can't do anything, as opposed to what can we do in our community. Finding things like that, I find, nourishes me rather than depletes me. Just think about all the wars and everything that's going on in the world. What can I do? And it just tears you down, as opposed to, hey, what's happening with my neighbor? Maybe I need to take them a bowl of soup. Huh? Can I hold the door open for somebody? Can I get involved in local politics, local things that really affect me and my community? Then we can affect change, just like you're affecting change by showing up for yourself every day. Okay. Whew, how'd that feel? Shake, shake, shake. Oh, I love this exercise. Maybe just take a moment, collect ourselves, breathe. We're gonna, leg comes out, we reach down. Just slowly at first here. Oh. And slowly but surely. Who's Shirley? Maybe we get close to touching the floor. If we do, how brilliant is that? Just take your time here. It's built amazing strength. Gauge your core, good core stability. It's going to increase our ability to balance. Whoa. Yep. If you fall, it's okay. I'm right here with you. Some days the balance is amazing, other days not so great. Who knows? That's just where I am today. I accept it fully, embrace it. All right. This is the challenge for the day. Oh, my daily bread. One more. Huh? Nice. Okay. Shake that out. We're ready. So we do a skater often like this. I want to modify a bit. I want to get more of a twist. And we're spending more time on one leg, building the balance. Almost like I'm trying to get my foot all the way around, pointing straight ahead. It's a great twist. Wonderful mobility in the hips. But we're balancing as well. Swing it around. Oh yeah, generating some heat. Oh, yes. Oh, brilliant. Slow it down when you need to. Slow is probably better here. We're focusing on balance. You get going too quickly, kind of lose it. Or we're not really balancing, we're just moving so quick from one to the next. A couple more. Yeah. Last one. Just a nice light bounce. Let's take our walk, our active recovery. I'm up on the balls of my feet. Swing the arms nicely. Just a reminder, that evening walk as much as we can. It is our superpower. And obviously when we're walking, we need good balance. Okay. So similar to reaching down, but now it's just with one leg. We're going to kick back. Lift your arms. See if you can't maintain that balance on kick the leg back. Possibly you're just stepping back. Brilliant. Just with one leg. But maybe a couple, you can come up and hold it and kick it back. Head up. 2, 1, vamos. Whew. Ready? Let's go other side. So, remember, okay, you can just tap. Brilliant. Or kick it back. Oh, that's a better move. Yeah. Get my arm swing right. Whoa, hold it. This is tricky. And this is wonderful. Amazing strength, stability. A couple more. 3, 2, 1. Oh, brilliant. Let's just slowly walk it out as we finish for the day. Oh, breathe. Oh, just swing your arms. Just connect to this moment. Just be, just for 10 seconds here. One really conscious breath. Breathe in and out. Amazing. You keep showing up. It's awesome. Comment, showed up for this week. We're just concentrating, focusing on showing up and building this incredible consistency and discipline. I hope you feel as amazing as I do. See you tomorrow.